This little Fast and Final spackling compound container is just the right size to hold that board for the compound saw, or the miter box. I gotta cut this end off.
Not windy, I like it.
I know. It's the first day of spring. I haven't been out here all winter. It's been covered in snow. So we'll go back here and check how everything is. I have a little party this June. I think we're gonna set up a big tent back here since this is the new addition, and put a porta potty out here. I guess we'll have a live acoustic set in the woods. And my lawnmower's broken, my rider that I mowed all this with. There's some things I didn't know about rider lawnmowers. That you should have the blades balanced, you know, because that vibration off the mower deck can actually hurt the motor. So it started with the muffler cracking, and then I noticed all the mounts for the motor to the lawnmower were loose. These neighbors are gonna love that party. They just built this house. Yeah, we'll put a big tent right here. Everything looks good. The picnic table is still here. You can actually see down into the wetlands. All the leaves down. We got a trail down below I need to clean up a little bit more. So this is the first day of spring. I better deal with this. That's a project. I'll just put a piece of rope on that and pull it down. Should probably do that soon. Some kid might get hurt back here, who knows. That is on the list. Got some heat going for tonight. It's about 50 degrees. I just turned it on. There's a bunch of the scrap. These are tools I'm keeping. And this is the toolbox. It's all done. Nice and cleaned up. These are for working on the Honda and Yamaha. These are Yamaha tools. These are pliers. That's what they're just pliers. It's a different kind of pliers. I'm gonna keep those around. I lubricated all the bearings on the drawers. It works pretty nice.